Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here. I am back. Yes, I am back. I still have a little bit of a cough, friends, but I am just going to be back on here. I am ready. At least I feel ready. But if I do break a video here and there, like if it seems choppy in the editing, it might be because I broke out in a cough. But we're going to grow with it and I'm going to start doing some hauls. Now this right here is from today, okay, the bags. Now that's an online order from the $11.95, I think. Yeah, candle sale. So I ordered some candles. Those are candles. We'll open it together. But let's get into the bags I ordered today. I know I really haven't been on here, so I'm a little lost. I have some other hauls, other bags that I have to find out where my husband put them because I had left them in the back of the car after I had got sick and I never got them out, and I know he like moved them. So when I see where those bags are, they haven't been put away, I will do hauls for that as well separately. But hey, here we are. I almost showed you guys my address, so here I am trying to pretend like I'm not editing part of it out. Okay, the box still has my address, so we're just going to push it out for right now. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this right here. So as you guys can see, I did buy a lot of the wipes. So I decided, I do like these wipes, and I know there's still some cheaper ones in the stores. But for 75% off, comes out to $212. I didn't mind, okay? So here we are. I got, let's see how many I got. 1, 2, eucalyptus mint, 2 crisp morning air. These are the ones we had in my store. And then we had just received a box of champagne toast. So I got 3 of those because I really do like champagne toast. So here we go. I got 3 of those. So yes, these are for my house. I'm saying that, I guess, because one of the managers was like, are these any for gifts? I'm like, no, that's all for me. There's no gifts in here. I'm done with that. Christmas is over. No, I'm just kidding. But I am so excited because I found one last one of Hope today. It was 75% off, so $3.88 for that. This lotion, Happy Vibes. I got a story over this. We had the lotion, but we had no shower gels, no sprays. Someone comes in. That's why I like working there, guys. Someone comes in and she's like, returning or exchanging out a Happy Vibes that she was gifted through Christmas or something. And I told her to put it on hold for me because I didn't get it. I thought I was going to be able to get it during SAS, and for whatever reason, there was only pieces of this. And finally, yeah, so I'm getting Happy Vibes, the shower gel. So I have a whole set now. And then I have the spray, which our store hasn't had the spray for a long time. I don't even remember if we had it in the beginning of SAS, but here we are. And all of this was at 75% off, which I'm very excited about. Let me move this around right here. I like to put the sets together. There we go. And oh, I'm sorry. If anybody wants the notes, here we are. Pause here. And then pause here. There you go. So yeah, I'm not going to be smelling all these things because, you know, I need to get through these hauls pretty quickly because otherwise I'll start coughing if I'm smelling too much stuff at once. Summertime surf. Everybody's been telling me, at least people that know I love coconut. I smelled this before though, and I just swore that I had smelled it somewhere before, and I was like, somebody in the comments told me that it was Key Lime? Wait, Key West? I think Key West. I think they were saying this one matches to Key West, and I know Bonnie did a video, and I think that's the one. So I haven't matched it myself. I do have Key West here at home, which I'll compare it later. But definitely, like when I had sprayed it the first time in store, I was like, this smells like something I've smelled before. So I believe it. I'll have to compare it later though. And then we have, I always buy these because I did gift a couple of these that I have bought during the mini sale. This was 75% off, so you know, why not? So there you go. I can have another little gift there. And then I have some Wallflower Refills. I got iced cranberry scone. You guys know I really love that candle, so I'm excited. I'm actually going to open one of them already and put it in Aiden's room, I think. I don't know, one of the rooms, because I also was thinking of putting the other one I have in here. So I got 2 of the iced cranberry scones. They come out to $1.88 before tax, I believe. And sugared Snickerdoodle. This is the other one that I was thinking of putting in his room. So it's between these 2 right now. I got 2 of the sugared Snickerdoodle. So there we are. And I got 2 of this peppermint sugar cookie. Yeah, I like this. I like this scent. I really do like this scent. So for 75% off again, this is all I got. This was all 75% off. Now there's some items in there. They were not 75% off. Some candles in that bag. Let me kind of open the box so I can not show my address, and then I'll show you guys what's in here first and in the box. Okay, there we go. Box is open just so I don't show my address and you guys can see it's candles. Now here we are. We have a new bag at the store. Look at this beautiful glitter. You guys know I love pink. I had to buy this. I don't even know if I want to gift it. Use it for, like, I don't know, take your snacks to work. $3.50. I love this bag. Oh my goodness. I just love it. Yes, look at it. Oh, I love it. Anyway, so that's a new bag that came into the store. Definitely I could use it for a gift, but if not, maybe I could use it around the house. And I had been seeing this over here on social media. And of course, I wanted this single wick. I really liked the 3-wick one that they had that was just like this. Is this scratched? Hold on. The price tag just got on my finger. I'm not going to put it back on because that's fine. I'm keeping it for myself. So yeah, I really like this. I like it for myself. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start using it already. So that's for me, of course. I act like all of this is for me anyways. And then I got 3 candles. Let me explain. I thought these candles were maybe this one, the hot cocoa and cream. I really love it though. It's half off. But I thought when I saw somebody returning these, I just grabbed it and held it for myself. I thought for some reason that they would ring up for 75% off. But that wasn't the case. I still bought it. I was like, whatever. I already held it. Like, I'm going to go ahead and buy it. And this one too. Cinnamon caramel swirl. I think I might exchange this one though. So yeah, I might exchange this one. I thought it was 75% off. For that price, I would have kept it. But for 25 or 50% off, I think I might not. So there are the notes. And then I didn't show you. That's just if anyone actually wants to know. But there you go. I really love this one. And this one is just okay for me. So I like it, but I wanted it for 75% off. So I'm going to exchange that one. Here's my receipt. I paid separate. My candles. And this one was 75% off. Crisp Morning Air. So I got lucky with this one. Yeah, someone came in to exchange several candles, and I thought that would be part of it too, but no. So I just bought this one. I got lucky. 6 usually. So here's the notes right there. So yeah, I think this one was $6.12. I like it. I like this. I've had this one before, so it's good. Let's go into those. Those were $11.95. I bought them when they were $11.95 online. And yes, some will be for exchanges, okay? I'm going to let you know right here, right now. Hopefully they're not broken, but let's see. I'm going to take them out of the box just so I can show you right away. But here we have one soap. This one is for a friend that she said she wanted it. So yeah, this one's not for me. I think it was $3.50. I can't remember. But yeah, so let me see. Okay, to make it easier, I went ahead and just opened it all, as you guys can see here. So we have salted pretzel milkshake. Here is, this one completely comes out. Here is the notes for this one. I really love this scent. Like, that's why I got 2. I know if you find these basically in person at the store, these are running, or should be, 75% off, but online they were not. So I went ahead and just anyways, bought it anyways because I like it. But this one's coming out like completely. It's loose and it comes completely out. I don't like keeping candles that come loose like that. So that will be an exchange. This will be fine. It's a little loose, but it doesn't come out all the way, so I'll keep this one for sure because I really do want that. Snowflakes and citrus, I really wanted that too. I really like it. I'm glad this one's not loose because I only ordered one of this one. And then stress relief. These were going to be exchanges anyways, but honestly, only one came good. You guys can tell right here. Let me see if you want to see the notes for this one. Snowflakes and citrus, definitely, as I always say. Pause right here. And then stress relief, you guys are going to see. This one's loose and it comes, you can see, it comes all the way out. There are the notes, but yeah, I will be exchanging all of these right here. So I'm only keeping these two actually, and these will be brand new ones. So this is loose, this one is loose. You can see right there the way it looks. These three came loose. I don't know what it is like about shipping and like why they are coming loose like that. They shouldn't. I don't like, in my opinion, it's a fire hazard. I've had it happen where like the wicks move to the edge, like, and then it starts breaking, and yeah, you don't want it to. The glass starts actually breaking. So yeah, these are going to be exchanges. So stay tuned tomorrow because basically I will have new candles from this right here and this one. I'm keeping these two. But yeah, and honestly, that one too, I'm gonna exchange. But there we go. So here is my haul from today. Again, from today, and then whenever that this online order had got here a couple of days ago, but I wasn't filming any videos. So there we go. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I feel like I'm back. I will definitely have so many videos that I want to do for you guys, not even just sass. Like I have an empties video that I want to sit in front of you guys and do, but if not, I might just do it this way. But I have so much stuff that's overflowing when it comes to empties. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, my friends, stay blessed. Bye.